The IELTS Map writing question. Whenever you're preparing for your IELTS, see that you are working on all the important writing task 1 questions like the map, the process, the line graph, the the bar graph, the pie chart, and the table, and the combination questions also. So approximately there are seven questions which you have to prepare. And another small mistakes students generally do is they start calculating or making assumptions like this time this question will come or this time this question will not come. So when I am writing my examination, so probably I am sure that this question is not going to come. I do appreciate your logic, but we can't know, right? We don't know how the paper is or what the paper will be like. So do prepare on every question for once at least, so that even when the tables turn in your examination, you are pretty confident to get a good score. After all, the main motto should be not to retake the examination. Don't get perplexed when you see the question paper in front of you. Today in the class, we shall be going through a map question which speaks about the past, which is 1958, and the school, which is now. The only concept which you have to be careful when you're doing the map questions are the verb usage. Whenever it is past, see that the past tense is used, and whenever it is now, see that the present tense is used. The other major mistakes which students do is they don't understand how to manage the time. They take the writing task 1 at the end, but I insist that you take your writing task 1 first in your examination because this is the most simplest examination and the scoring is also generally high. That means you can easily make through with the scores. Of course, the writing essays has high weightage, but this is the most scoring question. Hope you are all ears and you are understanding me. What is the first thing you should do? The moment you see the question, start making small notes like this so that you can draft your answer very easily. See that the sample answer or your answer is between 150 words to 170 words. So what is the correct way of answering it? Make some good notes. Immediately see the picture and start writing it in your rough notes. Or maybe jot down with the numbers so that you remember. Writing is never a problem. You all can write very well. And the sample answer which I am showing you now is also with the most simple language, but again which gives you a good score. Fine. So here we begin. What are we seeing? A map below shows a school in 1985 and the school now. So the school which is in 1985, that is one picture, and the school which is now. The major impact you can see is the number of students has increased. Earlier it was 1500 and now it is 2300. So almost 700 to 800 approximately. The count has increased. There are multiple ways of writing your thoughts, children, and what I am showing is one of the most simplest one. With my experience, I want to shout out to you that please don't spoil your examination. Even in a simple way, you can clearly crack your scores. So let's make the notes first. The other most important thing you require when you do a map question is understand the compass. Even I am very bad at geography. I don't understand what is left, what is the east, and what is the north and south, and all those stuff. But the compass is there. You can copy the compass image in your notes, as in when you're writing, see the directions and use those words in your sample answer. Slowly you will get used to it. If you're not understanding the compass, then write the words like to the left, to the north. Okay, so let's make the notes. The school in 1985, how was it? Number one, student population 1500. The second point is there is a medium sized rectangular main car park near the entrance and the exit, which you can see it here. The car park, how is it? It's a rectangular shape. So the words like rectangular shape, semicircle, these are all the good words. So they enhance your vocabulary. How simple it is. Point number three, office in the northwest corner. Office which is in the northwest corner. Don't forget the article the every time you mention north, south, and so on. Next, library next to the office. Where is the library? Next to the office. You can say it is below the office. Right. Next one. If there is a small car park beside, what is beside? It is close to, or you can use the word next to. And what is it again? The library, because library earlier we have already used. Here we have used the word. So whenever you are repeating the noun, then see that the article the is always written to it. Next, we are speaking about the classrooms. And what are they? Classrooms on the left side. On the left side. Again, the article the is important. Moving on to the seventh one, it is a two-story classroom block. It is always a. You are first introducing it. So, article A is important. You addressed it as block or you call it as wing, both are good words. Where it is on the right side, on the right side. It is not in the right side, it is on the right side. The again is important. Then we speak about the bottom part, which is the playing fields. So how do we write? Large playing fields. What are we doing? We are putting a small adjectives to all the nouns given. So here we say large playing fields covering the entire southern area. Entire is complete. Don't say complete, it is entire. Don't say only south, it is southern, which sounds well. And again, don't forget the article the, obviously. Right. The next one. Here, we don't have any swimming pool, no fitness center, computer room, it is not there, nor are the learning resource centers. Fine. Now we move to the next part, which is how is the school now? We are still making the notes. See, students, you have 15 to 20 minutes time. Even if you give 7 minutes to write the notes, the balance 6 minutes you can write a full 170 words essay. Very easy. So work on what should be the first thing. Don't just cry that the time was not sufficient. Everything is time bound. Okay. Now, what are we doing? We are making the points for the school which is now. So the student population has increased to 2,300. The large curved. Now it is the large curved. What is this? Curve. So you say curved, that becomes an adjective. Or you call it semicircle, or you say semicircular. What is this? This is the main car park because you have another car park also, the small one earlier, which is not existing here now. Right. Then it is office remains in the same place. Something in the map will never be changed. Some will be changed. So here the office is remaining the same. Okay. Library replaced with the learning resource center. See the usage of the article and learning resource center. Number 5. New computer room next to the resources center. The small car park is removed. Area now has more classrooms. Then the classroom block or the classroom wing increased from 2 stories to 3 stories. Stories, Storeys. Okay. Then it is the extra classrooms added to the south of the block. To the south of the block. It is to the bottom. So it is to the south. A new swimming pool in the southwest corner. Southwest corner swimming pool. New fitness center next to the pool. Playing fields reduced in size and move slightly southwest. Okay, after the notes are ready, one more thing. There is a confusion like, should I write the conclusion or not? So here is the layout again with the word count. So it says the layout. The intro, it should have 8 to 30 words. The overview paragraph, the second paragraph, should have 20 to 35 words. The body paragraph 1 should be with 50 to 70 words, and the body paragraph 2, which should be again with 50 to 70 words. So roughly it reaches to 150 or it crosses 150, which is a safe writing. What you should again remember, because this is the writing task 1, there is no conclusion. Fine. Let's revise the sample answer, which is written in a very simple language. First, the title. So it reads, the diagrams show the changes made to a school site between 1985 and the present. Don't forget the article the again. Right. How is this? This is a school site. Site, S-I-T-E. Okay. Don't forget the paid conjunction, which is between, always followed with and. The overview paragraph. What are the significant changes you are seeing? You need not to dump everything. A single line suffices. So overall, comma, the school now, the school. Earlier it was a school. So now it is the school. The school now has more study areas and sports facilities, but has less open space. The playgrounds are no more. So it is has less open space. Simple and cool introduction and overview paragraph. Now the body paragraph 1. In 1985, don't write in the year 1985. So it is only in 1985 following a comma. Again, the school had, we are talking about the past, right? So had 1,500 students. The main gate was at the top of the site again. And in the middle, focus on the article the again. In the middle, there was a big car park. Let's repeat. It's a big car park. Fine. On the left side, the office was located next to the library. We are continuing the answer. So the word is with. With a small car park between the library and the classrooms. On the right, need not to say again the side again. So it is on the right, comma, there was a two-story classroom building. Building is singular, so we have taken the article A. The southern area was taken up, that means occupied, by large playing fields. Because the field word is plural, you don't have any article before the word large. Moving on to the second paragraph, which is speaking about the school existing now. So the word is now, or you can also use the word today. Even today is a good word. Don't use nowadays. Okay. Today, the school has, present tense, 2,300 students and several new facilities. Several new facilities. A nice introduction sentence. What are the new facilities? You are explaining in the paragraph now. So it is, the main car park is bigger, comparative degree. वहाँ से यहाँ तक no. So it is bigger and has a new shape. While the small car park near the library has been removed. Instead of writing is removed, you can change into the verb which is has been. Has been removed. The library has been replaced with a large learning resource center and a computer room. In the southwest, a swimming pool or fitness center, articles very important to the nouns. So it is a swimming pool and a fitness center has been built. Continuing making the sentences complex. Earlier we used the word with here. Now we are using the word which. What happened to that swimming pool and fitness center? Which has made the playing field smaller. The original classroom block now now has 3 floors and another set of classrooms has been added. Classrooms, you can, and you feel that classrooms is plural, so we should have the word have. No, it is set of. Set of makes it as a simple compound word. So it is has been added to the south or to its south. Fine. Hope the map writing session will be very easy for you now. Happy learning. See you in the next session.